Warm-ups are incredibly important when it comes to your walk fit journey, trying to get the 5, 10, 15, 20,000 steps per day. I recommend 5 minutes of walking before you attempt any of these exercises. And it's really important to warm up in general because it improves your flexibility, increases your efficiency, and reduces your chances of getting injured. And as a side note, thank you everyone for helping me reach 3,000 subscribers. I really appreciate every single person that comes by and watches my videos. This is a lifelong passion of mine, and I won't ever stop making videos in relation to things that I'm passionate about: health, fitness, veganism, self-help, music. So I appreciate every single one of you, so thank you. Let me know what you want to see more of, and I will do my best to create that. So yeah, back to the stretching and walking. Now, the Amish community have one of the lowest rates of obesity, and they walk around 14 to 18,000 steps per day. Walking alone can help you lose weight, but it is best in conjunction with a whole food plant-based diet, preferably one high in fruits and vegetables. Now, to lose weight without eating a healthy diet, you'd have to really focus on getting a lot of steps in. But whenever you combine it with a healthy diet, you don't have to go too crazy with the steps, and it's easier to maintain because 80% of weight loss is what you eat. You can't outtrain a diet that is topping you up of too much fat, excess amounts of protein, all these processed foods, refined oils, animal products, dairy. So the best thing is combining it with a whole food plant-based diet high in fruits and vegetables, and you can see tremendous results. I was speaking to someone who on my channel, they said that all they did was walk around 10,000 steps per day, at a raw till 4 diet, and they lost weight. They saw sustainable weight loss results, and that is what I want for you. You don't necessarily have to kill yourself in the gym. I do recommend, a bit of cross training, maybe a spin class here, maybe a boxercise class here, just something that you enjoy, maybe a dance class here, alongside your walking journey, maybe a yoga class here. I do recommend cross training, just to be able to challenge yourself a little bit, get a bit of a sweat on. I noticed that with power walking, it is harder to get a sweat on than it is with, say, like spin class, and it's very beneficial to sweat weekly. So that is what I recommend. You can lose weight walking 5, 10, 15,000 steps a day because weight loss is mainly about your diet, but the walking will facilitate that because you are growing stronger. You're getting more muscles in the legs and the midsection, and all those arm swings that you're doing back and forth, you are getting stronger, and the more muscle you build, the more calories you burn. And if you just look up the statistic, the amount of calories you burn walking 10, 20, 25, 30,000 steps per day, it's ridiculous. And the muscle you're building doing that, to be able to sustain that, if you're doing that consistently, you're gonna shred the fat, especially if you add on top of that a whole food plant-based diet rich in fresh fruits and vegetables. So that is my 2 Ps. Let me know what you think. Do you think you can lose weight walking? Let me know.